I came to Berlin for my master's, and I didn't have any plans for my master's, but I was looking for other opportunities. I came in Corona times. When I came, it was all Corona time, and it was really difficult to find a job here. And in my team, we have around 10 to 15 members. Make your CV or resume, tailored resume according to their needs, according to the hiring needs or the company needs. And once you have done that, you can go and reach out to the hiring managers. You can go and do networking on LinkedIn or other platforms. I would do is I would definitely do more networking. I came to Berlin for my master's, and I didn't have any plans for my master's, but I was looking for other opportunities in US and UK and Berlin as well, and I did some research and I found it more economical to study in Berlin as well, and I had some good portfolio which allowed me to study in my public university. And yeah, I pursued my master's in international technology transfer management, and to summarize, it's just IT management from FHM University in Berlin. And that was a course for 2 years, and also I did my thesis in safety gadgets using the AI tools and how it affected the corona. So my thesis was on the topic, and yeah, this got me to Berlin. Okay, so I did my bachelor's in computer applications from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and I was also working there for 2 years as a back-end developer in a real estate company. And then I got an opportunity to move to Berlin and do my master's here. Okay, so speaking about job, I came in Corona times. When I came, it was all Corona time, and it was really difficult to find a job here. And it was a pandemic everywhere. And not only me, there were many other people who were struggling to get a job here. But I used to keep myself motivated, learn new skills, and just do some networking, go out, reach out to people, and ask for some referrals. And yeah, it was a nightmare, but somehow I got into it. When I was doing my thesis, and before my thesis, I already started applying for the full-time job opportunities, and also I was trying to go for a full-time job opportunity when I was doing my internship in emotional intelligence, in the field of emotional intelligence. And I think it was a span of 5 to 6 months after my thesis when I got into this job. So yeah, the thing is, I kept on trying for it. I kept on reaching out to people on LinkedIn. I got so many referrals. I went through referrals, and somehow I got connected to the HR of the Meta group, which I'm working currently. And they said, okay, we can do an interview. They liked my portfolio and everything. We did an interview and everything, and yeah, and now I'm working with them. Okay, so I started as a sales and marketing specialist, and recently, before 3 or 4 months, I got promoted as a senior sales and marketing specialist, where I manage clients who are advertising on Meta ads. Okay, so our team is actually very much diverse. So people come across over the world, and in my team we have around 10 to 15 members, and yeah, so it's great to work there. So basically, as I said, I work on ads and ads manager with our clients, right? So we need to constantly communicate with all our clients on a daily basis, and at some point you get to know, being into sales job, it's not that easy, right? You need a good communication skill, you need your soft skills. So you just keep on trying communicating with your clients. You learn to, you get to know what are their expectations, what are their needs, what are their business goals, and why they are using Meta ad platforms. And there are also, there are many ad platforms like Google, YouTube, LinkedIn. So what I ask to my clients is why they want to invest on Meta, and why they want to invest on Meta, like what budget and all. Then we come on a common platform or a common aligned platform, and yeah, this is the thing where we start from. So we of course use CRM, we of course use Meta Ads Manager, and we have internal CRM as well. We have Salesforce where we look for the leads and everything. So these are some tools, and we also have some internal tools which we use from Meta. So basically, reducing the escalation by 25% means that first of all, the thing is what I believe after getting into this job is the first most thing is lack of product knowledge. So people also don't have the proper knowledge of the product or proper knowledge of the system, that how do you use it, or how do you convert a lead, or how do you solve a problem, right? And they straight away go for the escalations. Okay, I mean, I can't manage this, let the support team or the escalation team handle this. So what I think is, you should be knowing the proper knowledge about the tools you are using, the proper knowledge about the ads and all you are using. Once you get proper idea, okay, how do you use the tools and everything, I think you can drastically reduce the number of percentage of escalations there. Talking about my role, sales and marketing, I think and I believe that you need more of practical knowledge or skills rather than just having a theoretical knowledge. And of course, networking and skills obviously work simultaneously. You should be having skills as well as at the networking part. Skills can actually make a foundation of foundation of your job and everything, and networking opens opportunities to get you a job. So skills is one of the part, and networking is second part of getting a job or opportunity. First of all, you need to go out on LinkedIn or other platforms who hire people, and you need to see what companies are looking for, what are the tools or what are the technologies that are looking for. So you go and study and try to get yourself involved with those technologies, with those tools, and try to make your CV or resume, tailored resume according to their needs, according to the hiring needs or the company needs. And once you have done that, you can go and reach out to the hiring managers. You can go and do networking on LinkedIn or other platforms, whichever is comfortable for you. And obviously all the tools, all the Meta Ads Manager, I mean, if you are only looking for the jobs in Meta, then I would suggest you to go with the Meta Ads Manager. I mean, it's a very big tool. There are many features, there are many options, which of course not every human knows about it. Nobody knows all the features, nobody knows all the, because it keeps evolving every day. So my core suggestion would be like just go with the flow and just keep yourself engaging with the Meta Ads Manager and all the tools that Meta has online. So there are a couple of courses which are also for free, and there are plenty of materials which you can find on Google and YouTube which are given by Meta itself. And also there are some paid courses, there are some paid trainings which you can get it. Those are certification courses which can help you for getting a job into Meta, and also not in Meta, into any marketing field. I mean, of course, ChatGPT has changed life for everyone, for ourselves also, for any field. I mean, any field you take it, like let's say developing, or let's say IT or sales and marketing, ChatGPT has been helping a lot to people out there. And Meta has its own AI as well, so which we use more because of course, I mean, it's a bread and butter for me. So I use, and we are also trying to constantly feed the AI of Meta. And of course, yeah, I use ChatGPT a lot. Whenever I stuck with any of the objections from my clients, and I ask for a moment and ask ChatGPT what I can do best for it. Talking about my job in sales and marketing, that is AI gonna take over my job or not? What I believe is if AI is coming into Meta Ads Manager, if AI is gonna run ads for you, but there has to be someone who can acknowledge you, or he can give you proper knowledge that how you can use AI into an ads manager. How do you command, or how do you give prompts to AI that you can build a campaign or you build a marketing strategy. So I think I will be still having a job irrespective of AI is there. There has to be someone like a consultant or like an advisor that can advise you or consult you on how you can use AI into your ads manager and how you can build campaigns through AI. Okay, so I mean, it's again you can also do networking, you can also do job hunting on LinkedIn, right? So you can also get or you can also land into a job through networking, and you can also land into a job just through the job listing which LinkedIn does. So I mean, it's for both the thing. You can also build a network, and you can also just purely look for jobs on LinkedIn. According to my experience and according to the companies, what mentality or how do they think. What I know is if you are pursuing your masters from Germany, you have a bit of higher chances getting into jobs because they know, okay, you would know the German standards, you have also done internships in the German market, you know how the German companies work, what are their expectations, what are their needs. So it could be that you might be having an upper hand, that you have already done your masters in Germany rather than just going around the country. I mean, obviously it does work because you have gained so much of experience in the different countries, in different environments, so it actually does helps also. But if you have done your masters from Germany, I think it gives you an upper hand and to land into some jobs. I would do is like I would definitely do more networking. So I still believe that I was lacking in networking in those back days, and if given an opportunity, I would definitely try to do some more networking because I personally feel now when I'm doing networking now and trying to make some connections in the in the companies or in the professional career and everything. So I think that networking is the that I would like to do again. Let's put it this way that I'm already into sales and marketing, right? So I want to obviously grow in this particular field, and also I'm trying to move into data analytics. So I'm trying to learn more things into data analytics because Meta has huge data that has to be controlled, and they are also lacking behind in data analytics. That what I feel according to my experience since last 2 years. So I'm constantly trying to learn on the data analytics side, and obviously I want to get some big managerial or leadership roles where I can manage teams and handle teams. And there are also clients who spend a huge budget. So I'm looking forward to handle those kind of clients and manage a good number of teams. I mean, definitely, come on. It's if any of the job, if you are doing a technical job, sales job, managerial job, you should be having a technical knowledge, right? There has to be technical knowledge because let's say if I'm working in sales, I work on some tool, I work on ads manager, I work on CRM, I work on AI. So I have to be having some technical knowledge. At the same time, I should be having a management knowledge, a leadership knowledge, and yeah, it works simultaneously. And you have to be, going step by step with the technical and the sales side.